Okay, hey guys, today we're going to be making a firecracker shake because I'm Sandra and I love all things patriotic. So we're going to make a red, white, and blue shake, and it's going to be a firecracker cheesecake. So we're going to start with our vanilla protein meal, our healthy meal. We're going to also have our vanilla protein drink mix. And as always, 2 cups of ice, 3/4 of a cup of water, some sugar-free cheesecake pudding mix. And here's how we get the red, white, and blue. We have a couple of these sugar-free flavorings. We have the tropical blue typhoon and a cherry. So let's get started. We're gonna mix all of this up in our blender together. All right, we have that all mixed up. So now we have that perfect soft serve ice cream texture in there. And now to make the red, white, and blue pop, what I'm gonna do is just take my to-go cup. I'm gonna splash just a little bit of water in it. And going to put the blue in the bottom. So I'm just gonna cut the tops of these off. Almost the top of my finger too, because those scissors are really sharp. We're just gonna sprinkle this in the cup, and it's gonna catch on the little bits of water. It's in there. I'll put a little extra in the bottom to make it blue in the bottom. And then we're also going to do the same thing with a little bit of the red. And now we're gonna pour our shake in. You see how it's kind of taken on some of that red and the white, or the red and the blue. Of course, the shake is the white. Now we're gonna put a little bit of whipped topping on top. And sprinkle just a little bit more of these. And as they get a little bit wetter, they'll add some, or they'll get brighter color. And a little bit of blue. Ta-da!